Today, I'm going to propose a template. I usually don't like templates, or at least things with 2 checkboxes and 3 lists where you add 2 images to make it look pretty. Those are often useless because, in the end, you can't use them without big modifications to suit your needs. On the other hand, some templates are just used to solve a particular problem. They are ready for production because they just give you a direct solution to a specific problem. What I want to show you today is called a template in the Notion world, but to me it's the perfect tool for preparing 2022. I have not seen this anywhere else by anyone else, and you can get it for free. Hi, I'm Vince, and welcome to NoCoder Pro. Before we get started, please subscribe and maybe even give this video a thumbs up. On my other channel in French, I have almost 6,000 subscribers, but here in English, yeah, we need to get this started. So would you help me? Please? Pretty please? One of the fundamental elements of a solid organization is time. It's all about the time you have, the time you take, the time you need. In Notion, whether it is to manage personal life or tasks, you need dates. In Notion, the title property is always a character string, text, and you can't generate it automatically by saying, for example, that this title property must copy the date chosen in the date column. It would be too easy, but it's not possible natively in Notion. So the simple fact of having to create a new database row every day, type in the date in the title, but also choosing it in the date property, nor fun, nor practical. Let's say you want to make statistics, you want to track your metrics and habits on a weekly, monthly or yearly basis. You'll start creating rollups, and even then, in a moment of dark madness, rollups of rollups. It's possible, but it's a bit of a pain, isn't it? So here is my solution to solve all of this at once. 5 databases, all linked together through relations. Days, weeks, months, quarters, and years, which are all linked together. Each day is linked with a week, a month, a quarter, and a year. In short, everything is linked with everything at once. 1 year, 4 quarters, 12 months, 52 or 53 weeks, 365 days, and everything is linked together as it should be. Just like that. My pleasure. Totally free. Frankly, I don't like to be a smartass, but I think this is unprecedented. And since it's all created with Integromat, I have a version of this in English and French with European dates and American dates, ISO weeks and USA weeks. You will find this free template on Gumroad. The link is in the description, of course. The only thing I would ask is for you to credit me if you use it for your own template or project, and maybe drop me a line on LinkedIn or Twitter to tell me if you liked it and how you use it. Once again, I'm Vince. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, like, comment, and ring the bell. Be kind in your comments because trolls are only fun if they dance, sing, or hug. Until next time, be brave, be kind, be the best version of yourself. Thank you. Bye-bye.